plum color from Yard.
Oh wow!
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. For today's video is I have a challenge. And it's a lipstick challenge. I have a 6 colors of lipsticks here. And finally, kailangan natin ng 6 colors na lipstick. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba talaga to tingnan kasi 6 layers yung ating ilalagay. Let's go! I-open na natin yung pinakauna natin gagamitin, itong light color lang.
Perfect!
Kaya let's go na. Ina-apply ko na yung neutral color na color light is the nude color. Ayan pa lang yung first na apply sa aking lipstick. And the next color naman i-apply natin itong peach na matte lipstick. Okay naman yung kulay niya. Napakaganda rin at napakabagay kasi yan yung second step natin na-apply na kulay ng lipstick. Woo! And the next is the maroon color of lipstick. Ayan na. Maganda din naman yung kulay na yan kasi kahit light na yung ilagay mo, napakalakas niyang kumulay. Kaya yan yung third natin na-apply. At ito naman yung pang-apat. Ang kulay nito is dark red. At ang shade niya is Ruby Kiss. At yan yung pang-apat. Napakaganda din yung kulay na yan. Ang pang-lima na kulay is itong parang maroon na may pagka-red. Ayan yung pang-limang kulay. I-apply natin. Oh, it's so amazing color naman. Wow! At ang lastly natin apply itong plum color from Yard. At i-apply na natin. Finally, yan yung 6 colors na shade ng lipstick. Tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda tingnan at napaka-simple pa ng kulay.